In today's video, I'm going to teach you to apply the same transition to all clips in CapCut PC. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to give your entire edit a consistent, polished flow without adjusting each cut one by one. Start by opening CapCut on your PC. Once you're in your project, bring in all the videos you want to include. Importing everything at once keeps your timeline organized and makes it easier to apply a uniform transition across the board. You can import from your media folder or drag files directly into CapCut, whichever you prefer. Make sure your clips are in the order you want them to appear. A consistent order means the transitions will fall exactly where you expect, right between each pair of clips. After your media is imported and laid out, click one of your clips to focus the timeline. Now it's time to choose a transition style. In CapCut, transitions are applied at the cut points between clips, and you'll see a small transition marker between each clip. Select a transition from the transitions panel and preview a few options so you can get a feel for the pacing and mood. If you're going for a clean, professional look, simple fades or dissolves often work best. For something with more energy, try a slide or whip, but keep it consistent so the edit feels cohesive. Before you finalize, adjust the transition duration to match your video's rhythm. Shorter transitions feel snappier, while longer ones create a smoother, more cinematic feel. Once you've selected the transition and set the duration you like, click Apply All. This instantly applies your chosen transition and settings to every cut in the timeline, saving you a lot of time and ensuring uniformity across all clips. Give the timeline a quick playthrough to confirm that the transitions look and feel consistent. If anything feels too fast or too slow, tweak the duration on one transition, then use Apply All again to refresh every cut with the updated timing. This is especially helpful if your video includes clips of different lengths and energy levels. You can find a duration that works across the edit and apply it everywhere in a single click. That's it. Open CapCut, import all your clips, choose your transition, fine-tune the duration, and hit Apply All. It's a simple workflow that keeps your edits clean, consistent, and efficient. If you found this helpful, follow along for more quick CapCut tips to speed up your editing.